Hey, what's up guys? I'm Automotive and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a review on a Chevy Camaro SS. We're out here in Chantilly at the Chevrolet dealership. So if you guys are in town in Chantilly and want to check out some sweet rides or want to get into something sweet like this Chevy Camaro SS, come down to Chevrolet and check out my boy Donnie. He'll hook you guys up with a sweet deal. The 2018 Chevy Camaro 1SS is powered by a 6.2-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine, producing 455 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 455 pounds of torque at 4,000 RPM. This engine features advanced technologies like direct fuel injection and variable valve timing. With a 0 to 60 time of 4 seconds manual or 4.3 seconds automatic, the 1SS is quick and agile, making it a great choice for high-performance driving. The 1SS features a high-performance braking system with 15.3-inch front rotors and 14.3-inch rear rotors, providing confident stopping power. The FE3 suspension is designed for high-performance driving with a more aggressive spring rate and a unique shock valving setup. This 1SS convertible features a power-operated soft-top roof, which can be raised or lowered in just 16 seconds. The convertible model also features a unique rear spoiler and a more aggressive stance, giving it a distinct look from the hardtop. The interior features cloth medium ash gray color seats, providing a sporty and comfortable driving experience. The customized carbon fiber trim adds a high-tech and premium feel to the cabin, while the flat-bottom steering wheel and the carbon fiber shifter knob enhance the driving dynamics. The 8-inch touchscreen display and premium audio system provide a high-tech entertainment experience as well. Alright, so we're in the Chevy Camaro. As you can see guys, it has the nice leather steering wheel, the Chevy Camaro symbol in the middle. You got 200 on the dash. You got carbon fiber all over it. It's pretty sweet. All right, let's put our seatbelts on for safety. For safety purposes. All right guys, so we're rolling through the parking lot, about to hit the street. Just remember this car is low, so you gotta drive slow when you're going over these little speed bumps and stuff like that. And you know, if you got a lowering kit or anything like that, make sure you go in at an angle so you don't mess up your front bumper. So this vehicle has about 35,000 miles on it. Speedometer 200 miles per hour, 6.2 V8, rear wheel drive. So with the 6.2, the Chevy engine, it drops down to 6 cylinders, correct? Yeah. Yeah, so we got 6 cylinders for gas saving purposes. But when you're in a sport, you get that full 8-cylinder V8 actions. Great ride for the summertime. You know, take it out on weekends, cruise around with the top down. C8. What years do you have?
24, 25. Okay. Yep.
Cool.
I was not expecting that shit. Came out of nowhere with it. Right. That was loud.
Yeah, man. It's loud. It feels good too. It's a nice ride. So it drives really smooth. It has a smooth ride to it. What's in the suspension on this thing? You know what kind of suspension this has?
It's going to have the standard suspension. It's nothing added into it.
Okay.
It's the suspension that the vehicle automatically came with it being a 1SS.
Alright, so this is a 1SS, and has stock suspension, but it feels really good compared to other vehicles. I had a Dodge Charger V8, and that one, I had to get a suspension kit put on it because it was, like they said, it felt like a boat. So this is totally different. Tight around the corners, returning. So we're to the freeway, gonna open it up a little bit. Got the Brembo brakes on there.
Yep. Make sure the brakes working.
Right. That's a nice RT though. Yeah. I like it. And that's a wrap on our review of the 2018 Chevy Camaro SS. As we conclude, I have to ask, is it worth buying a 2018 SS in 2025? The answer for me is yes. This car still packs a punch with its powerful V8 engine and agile handling, plus its sleek design still turns heads on the road. So if you're still in the market for a high performance muscle car without breaking the bank, the Camaro SS is definitely worth it. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to like and subscribe for more car reviews and content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.